Space, the final frontier, where mysteries unfold and the unknown awaits. Today, we're diving into 10 mind-blowing facts about space that you probably never knew. Get ready to have your mind expanded as we explore the wonders of the universe. Fact 1. There's a giant cloud of alcohol in space. Yes, you heard that right. Roughly 390 light-years away, in the constellation of Aquila, there's a massive cloud made of ethyl alcohol floating in space. This cloud, known as Sagittarius B2, is 1,000 times the diameter of our solar system and could theoretically fill over 400 trillion pints of beer. But don't get too excited. It's light-years away and mixed with other deadly gases. Scientists are fascinated by this discovery, as it shows that complex organic compounds like alcohol exist even in the depths of space. Fact 2. Space is not a complete vacuum. We often think of space as a perfect vacuum, but that's not quite true. While space has a very low density of particles compared to Earth, it's not completely empty. There are still particles, hydrogen and helium atoms, dust and radiation, floating in space. In fact, there's enough scattered material to exert tiny amounts of pressure on spacecraft, known as solar wind. Fact 3. There could be infinite universes. Have you ever wondered if our universe is the only one? The concept of the multiverse suggests that there could be an infinite number of universes, each with different laws of physics and realities. While it sounds like science fiction, it's based on real theories in quantum mechanics and astrophysics. Some scientists believe that black holes might even be portals to other universes, though we're far from being able to prove it. Fact 4. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. Imagine squeezing a mountain into a sugar cube. That's how dense a neutron star is. These stars are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovas. Just a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons on Earth. The density is so extreme that if you fell onto a neutron star, you'd be flattened into atoms instantly. Fact 5. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Ever been to the beach and noticed all the sand around you? Believe it or not, scientists estimate that the observable universe has more stars than there are grains of sand on every beach and desert on Earth combined. That's around 100 to 400 billion stars in just our galaxy. And we've detected over 2 trillion galaxies. Imagine the possibilities and unknown worlds that could be out there. Fact 6. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Here's a strange one. Venus has an incredibly slow rotation speed. It takes about 243 Earth days for Venus to complete a single rotation on its axis, which means a day on Venus is longer than its year, which only takes 225 Earth days. Even weirder, Venus rotates in the opposite direction of most planets, so on Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Fact 7. There's a diamond planet out there. Imagine a planet made of diamonds. Scientists have discovered a planet called 55 Cancri e, about 40 light-years away, with a surface believed to be covered in diamonds. This planet is twice the size of Earth, and because of its carbon-rich composition, it's thought that high pressure in its core has transformed much of its surface into diamonds. Too bad it's so far away. It'd be quite the treasure. Fact 8. Black holes can sing. Black holes are famous for pulling in everything around them, even light. But did you know that they can also zing? Scientists have discovered that certain black holes emit sound waves that are millions of times lower than what humans can hear. In fact, the sound waves from a black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster have been recorded as the deepest note ever detected, approximately 57 octaves below middle C. Fact 9. The coldest place in the known universe is in a nebula. You'd think the coldest place in the universe would be far from any stars, but it's actually inside the Boomerang Nebula, 5,000 light-years away from Earth. Here, temperatures plummet to a bone-chilling minus 458 degrees Fahrenheit, just 1 degree above absolute zero. Scientists believe this nebula is expanding so rapidly that it cools to extremes we don't see elsewhere. Even in space, that's unbelievably cold. Fact 10. There are zombie stars that come back to life. Finally, let's talk about zombie stars. White dwarfs, the remnants of stars like our Sun, can sometimes come back to life in a rare phenomenon. When these stars pull in material from a companion star, They can reignite and explode in what's known as a Type Ia supernova. This explosive event temporarily revives the dead star in a burst of new life. It's a powerful and beautiful reminder that in space, even death isn't always the end. The universe is full of wonders, each fact more mind-blowing than the last. We've only scratched the surface of what's out there. If you enjoyed learning these incredible space facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Stay curious and keep exploring the cosmos with us. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos on space and the mysteries of the universe.